Okay guys, I'm right now in Tanjung Lompat beach in Desaru, close to Bandar Penawar. So this is Pantai Tanjung Lompat. Tomorrow is Hari Raya Aidil Adha, so nothing much to do during Hari Raya, so I'm going to Tanjung Lompat right now, but maybe I will camping in Pungai. I have been camping here last time in Tanjung Lompat, over there, overnight, which nice sandy beach here. So this is Tanjung Lompat. So let's go hang out and explore the beach here. So the plan is like until maybe 5 p.m. like that, I will be exploring this beach. I will use my folding bike, enjoy folding bike lah, because this beach is like comfortable and suitable for folding bike and anything. So the sand is like very compact, that type of the beach, that type of sand here. So there's like people are using this boat maybe for recreation or fishing. It's a very nice boat. People are swimming here. The water is very clear, crystal clear. So I also have camping here with my friend last time. So there is people also there, over there. I think they will be camping tonight, maybe, I don't know, or just for day camp, something like that, I don't know. But this place is very nice. Last time we karaoke at night here. The beach, the water is go up until here, so the water is like at our feet when we are sleeping here at night. It's a very nice place for camping. Over there people is surfing, and there's a rock formation here. Over here, don't swim here, it's dangerous, so we can swim here. Very nice place to swim actually over here. So explore the beach. There's some river, small drainage river here, flowing down here. So I see people maybe barbecue over there. So yeah, I use my shaded for my glasses because it's very bright. It's still like 3:50 p.m. So anybody from around the world, if you want to go surfing in Johor, go to Tanjung Lompat. You see there is a surf area there. People are camping there, hang out there. They will surf at that particular bay there. It's a very nice place for surfing. The water is, I think, high tide right now. So people keep coming. I see like there's another car coming in here in Tanjung Lompat. You can see the water is very green, clear. If I jump right now, it will be like I'm in heaven now. But right now I'm just walking around and try to have a good time by myself here. See that aeroplane up there, they are landing to Senai Airport. So every once in a while you will see like some plane will move up this area. It's a very big plane up there. So I see a lot of plastic today. Maybe it's come from the sea, mostly come from the sea. I don't think people here will throw the rubbish, everything. This is all come from the sea. So actually, this is one of the good place where people can do kudah. Kudah means kutip sampah sambil riadah. So people can make activity with the organization. They collect the rubbish while they are exercising. So that will be a good place, good way to do it. So very far away, that not far away, just over there for surfing area. And there is Terra de Saru Beach Resort. So next plan is I want to use my folding bike going there. So let's go back. I want to use my folding bike, go to until the end of that beach, and then I will go to that end using folding bike. Okay, that is the plan. I like to walk this area very close to the water, to the ocean. This is South China Sea. Feel the vibe, guys, feel the vibe. More people are coming. I think there is not so many people coming in the evening today, I think, because Hari Raya Aidil Adha is tomorrow, so everybody going back to their hometown, their village, meet their family. And then look at this. Wow, I wish I have one. You can go fishing, you can survive by your own. Let's check that. Let us check that camping site. This is a camping site. Tapak untuk camping. Osman, toilet di sini. This is camping site. Okay, that is more or less walking around Tanjung Lompat. Happening place. People are coming to swim, and some are going to fishing like just now. People also play a kite here last time, surfing also. So next I will use my folding bike to explore this area. Okay, see you guys.